Welcome. If you've been trying to find your post activity on Instagram using your PC and felt a bit lost after the latest update, you're definitely not alone. Instagram keeps changing things around, and what used to be easy to find can suddenly feel hidden. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click, so you can access your post activity without any confusion. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once it loads, make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Now, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Instagram hides a lot of important settings and tools. After clicking the menu, a panel will open up. From here, find and select Your Activity. This section is where Instagram stores everything related to what you've done on your account, including posts, interactions, and more. Once you're inside your activity, look for the section labeled Photos and Videos. Click on it to continue. Now you'll see different categories, and this is where it gets useful. Click on Posts. This will show you all your post-related activity in one place, making it easy to review, manage, or revisit your content. And that's it. You've successfully found your post activity on Instagram using your PC, even with a new update. If Instagram changes things again in the future, just remember that most features are usually tucked inside the menu and the Your Activity section. Once you know where to look, it becomes much easier to navigate.